Stupid asshole.
I still got throttle, so he's still good. Holy shit!
Well, he made it all the way up that hill, and I went up behind him. And when I got up there, there's some ruts and some trees I had to go between. So I got up there and I seen that he made it up the hill, but he flipped over right past the top of it. So I had to back all the way down the hill. Now I'm trying to climb back up it. This thing is steep. Oh. What are you laughing at, woman?
It's not that bad. We can make it.
I bottomed out on this root really hard.
Right? I said, how'd you make it fucking past these roots? He's like, what are you talking about? This guy is fucking stupid.
Yeah. We're not following him again. Look at that. What do you think about that, Brandon? Wasn't that bad?
Yeah. He's doing it again. I made it to the top and I'm doing it again. On all four wheels. On all four wheels next time.